In an awe-inspiring moment that left fans speechless and critics silenced, Tammy Slaton, known for her role in the hit reality TV show 1000 LB Sisters, proudly showcased her transformed physique in a stylish swimsuit, revealing a staggering 500-pound weight loss. This monumental transformation, shared through a series of candid photos and a heartfelt video message on social media, marked not just a physical milestone, but a symbolic turning point in a journey that has captivated millions across the world. The photos, snapped during a recent vacation, radiated confidence and joy, qualities that Slaton once admitted she struggled to find beneath the crushing weight of both her body and public perception. The road to this moment was anything but easy. Tammy Slaton, once tipping the scales at over 700 pounds, became a household name through the TLC series that chronicled the emotional, psychological, and physical challenges of morbid obesity. Alongside her sister Amy, Tammy's journey was raw and often painful to watch, filled with hospital stays, emotional breakdowns, and moments of deep vulnerability. But through all the hardships, she remained a compelling figure, sometimes polarizing, always human. Her swimsuit reveal was not just a personal victory. It was a public declaration of resilience, proof that even the most daunting odds can be overcome with determination, support, and self-love. Clad in a bright, floral patterned one-piece that flattered her new shape, Slaton stood poolside, a picture of transformation and newfound freedom. Fans quickly flooded her social media posts with an outpouring of support. Comments like, "You're glowing, Tammy," and "So proud of how far you've come," reflected the emotional weight her journey carried for viewers who had followed her from day one. But the photos were more than just validation. They were a striking contrast to the Tammy the world first met, a mobile, dependent, and often discouraged. Now, she stood tall and proud, her posture confident, her face beaming, her eyes filled with joy rather than pain. The journey to lose over 500 pounds required more than just a diet or a workout plan. It demanded a fundamental shift in mindset, lifestyle, and emotional well-being. Early seasons of 1000 LB Sisters revealed Tammy's struggles with food addiction, mental health issues, and a dependency on oxygen due to her size. Doctors warned her that without serious intervention, her life expectancy could be tragically short. Viewers witnessed her refusals to change, moments of denial, and even clashes with her sister and family members who were desperate to see her get better. It was a long road of starts and stops, of relapses and rebounds, until finally, something clicked. According to Tammy, the breakthrough came after a near-death experience in late 2022. Hospitalized and placed in a medically induced coma after suffering carbon dioxide poisoning, she found herself teetering on the edge of life and death. It was during this terrifying ordeal that she realized she had reached her absolute limit. "I thought I was going to die," she later admitted in an interview. "Lying there, hooked up to all those machines, I told myself, this isn't how my story ends." The experience served as a brutal wake-up call. Upon her recovery, Tammy committed fully to a rehabilitation facility specializing in weight loss and addiction treatment. From there, the transformation began, slowly at first, and then with remarkable momentum. Her daily routine in the facility was rigorous: early morning walks, strict calorie monitoring, emotional therapy sessions, group accountability meetings, and eventually, tailored fitness training. Doctors closely monitored her health metrics, adjusting plans as her body began to shed the weight. For the first time, she embraced discipline, letting go of excuses and leaning into the hard work. "Every pound I lost felt like a piece of my old life falling away," she said in a recent live stream. "The pain, the doubt, the shame, I was finally leaving it behind." Quote, "One of the most emotional parts of her transformation was qualifying for bariatric surgery, a goal she had chased for years but had consistently been deemed ineligible for due to her health condition and lack of progress. But after months of committed weight loss, she was finally cleared. The surgery, performed in mid-2023, marked a turning point in her journey. Recovery was tough, both physically and emotionally, but Tammy stayed the course. With each passing month, she grew stronger, lighter, and more confident. Her breathing improved, her mobility returned, her spirit lifted. Eventually, the oxygen tank she once relied on became a relic of her past, no longer necessary. In interviews and social media posts, Tammy has been candid about the mental and emotional aspects of her journey. It wasn't just about losing weight, it was about gaining control, she explained. I had to confront why I ate, what I was hiding from, and how I saw myself. Her therapist, who has worked with her for over a year, confirmed the depth of her transformation. Tammy faced her inner demons and chose to heal. That's not something you can measure on a scale. Her family, once fractured by frustration and fear, has rallied around her. Amy Slayton, who also underwent her own weight loss journey, has expressed overwhelming pride in her sister. Tammy's doing things I never thought I'd see, Amy said in a recent episode. She's living, not just surviving, really living. Their once complicated relationship appears to have strengthened, grounded now in mutual respect and a shared experience of overcoming. Tammy's reveal in a swimsuit is more than just a fashion choice, it's a defiant reclaiming of her body and narrative. In an industry where body shaming remains rampant and the journey of plus-sized individuals is often mocked or marginalized, Tammy's openness stands as a radical act of self-acceptance. She's not asking for approval, she's celebrating herself. And in doing so, she's inspiring a new wave of body positivity grounded in authenticity, perseverance, and real transformation. Experts have weighed in on the significance of Tammy's journey. Dr. Angela Harris, a bariatric specialist not affiliated with the show, noted that such a dramatic weight loss is rare but not impossible. It requires not only physical intervention but also long-term behavioral change, Harris said. Tammy's success speaks to the power of comprehensive, holistic treatment approaches. Psychologist Dr. Lauren Pierce echoed this sentiment, adding, her journey shows that healing the body requires healing the mind. We've seen a woman reclaim her sense of worth. Even within the entertainment world, Tammy's progress is turning heads. Reality TV personalities and influencers have publicly praised her transformation. Former Biggest Loser trainer Jillian Michaels commended her courage, saying, it's not just about aesthetics, it's about health, freedom, and the will to live fully. Social media influencers across platforms have created reaction videos and tribute montages, showcasing Tammy's weight loss as a beacon of hope for those struggling with similar battles, but not all reactions have been positive. Critics continue to scrutinize her past behaviors, questioning whether her transformation is sustainable or authentic. Others accuse the show of exploiting her struggles for ratings. Tammy, however, remains unfazed. People will always have something to say, she recently posted. But I know my truth. I know what I've been through. And no one can take that away from me. Her resolve in the face of criticism reflects a newfound maturity, a perspective earned through years of hardship. Beyond the swimsuit reveal, Tammy is already planning her next chapter. She's expressed interest in writing a memoir, detailing her experience from childhood struggles to near-death experiences and finally, to triumph. She's also hinted at launching a YouTube channel focused on weight loss, cooking, mental health, and personal growth, providing her fanbase with a deeper look into the realities of recovery. I want to give back, she said. If I can help one person feel like they're not alone, then everything I've been through will be worth it. Her story, while deeply personal, taps into broader conversations about obesity, healthcare, stigma, and self-worth. It challenges assumptions and invites empathy. As one fan wrote, Tammy showed us that no matter how far gone you feel, there's always a way back. Her public transformation sends a message far beyond the realm of reality TV. It speaks to the power of human will, the importance of support systems, and the capacity for profound change. As Tammy stood poolside in that now iconic swimsuit, the symbolism was hard to ignore. It wasn't just about showing skin, it was about shedding the layers of fear, doubt, and pain that once held her back. It was about embracing a life she once thought she couldn't have. It was about becoming the version of herself that she, and so many others, knew she could be. In an era that often values instant results and aesthetic perfection, Tammy Slayton's journey is a powerful reminder that true transformation takes time, effort, and an unwavering belief in one's ability to rise. Her 500-pound weight loss is not just a number, it's a story of redemption, courage, and the relentless pursuit of a better life. And as she continues to step forward, one confident stride at a time, Tammy Slayton is not just surviving. She's thriving. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.